Hey guys, beautiful day, homesteading cheaper by the dozen, and Mom's got a problem. She wants grass, and unfortunately Dad and everybody else keeps driving heavy equipment, bulldozers, backhoes, dump trucks, excavators through the yard. So starting out, we're gonna she wants to have a fence all the way around her yard. And eventually we'll have, we're trying to put a fence up so we can keep the dogs in and keep the chickens separated, everybody safe and happy, and a place where the kids can be in a specific yard and not be out running around the farm. Hey Jim Bob. But yeah, grass is already starting to sprout up. We bought enough grass seed to do about 2 acres, and we've got a bunch of fertilizer. So fixing to do a little disking, and the boys are out working. We've got one garden spot. We've got a little bit of grass from last year coming up. I think we're gonna run this over with a disc, just real lightly, enough to rough it up, and then throw some grass seed on it. And if this rain keeps rolling on the way it's been doing lately here, we'll have grass sprouting up in no time at all. Then we're gonna put this front yard fence in, then we'll have a backyard, and then back there where the chickens are, we'll have the orchard, and have it. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Not used to digging post holes. Been sitting around all winter getting fat and sassy. Caleb's plowed this up today, the new plow. He ended up pulling the double plow off and only run it as a single plow. And then he ran through it with a disc, and it should be pretty good shape to run over and till up. And we'll be planting here before long. This will be one little garden spot back there behind the water tank. We're gonna have a field for corn, and then we're thinking about, since we don't have enough money for all the trees for the orchard probably this year, we're gonna plow up about half the orchard and use it for garden area. And then the spot down by Grandma's house, we'll be planting there as well. So planning on having lots of garden area. So we're off to a good start. Mom's getting excited. The only thing she's upset about is the fence started there and stopping there. We're gonna have to throw in a few more posts and a few more boards to get it beyond the driving areas where she's wanting to get it blocked off where nobody's driving through her yard anymore. I got some pretty good grass coming up here, and I worked hard last year to get grass growing out here, but I've just driven on it back and forth too much. So stay tuned. We'll follow our fence building project. Or driving the dump truck to go get it parked. It's awful handy picking up those 16-foot posts. We bought 16 so we could just cut them in half for 8-footers.
I've been doing the hardest, man.
Fence rolling along here.
Take the plate inside and go get you some food first.
Well, little girls. Isaiah's cleaning up and getting rich. He's getting paid by the post hole to put posts in. Hi. And we're stopping for some lunch. It's been up in the 70s today, so the big boys have gone down to the pond to see if it's warm enough to swim in. I got my doubts, but we'll let them be the guinea pigs. We've almost got, yeah, Mom bought all the posts for ensuring that everybody stays out of her yard. We've almost got ready to go around that part. That'll actually be sad to see that driveway go, because that's where we pull the dump truck in and turn it around, and the RV, but guess we just won't be coming down in here with big stuff anymore.
It's a good thing.
We'll have to
Grass will grow.
turn around at the barnyard or something. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
What are you doing?
Eating.
What have you been working on?
we've been working on picking up sticks, putting them into the wheelbarrow.
Cleaning up the yard and the sticks. Getting ready for grass to grow, huh?
And guess what we might do?
What?
Go swimming.
Go swimming.
And our new pond that Daddy built us.
Try the new pond. All right.
And we're gonna
hot dogs.
About to get that driveway closed off. Got all these post holes done. We're gonna tamp them in, but it's so wet that we're gonna buy some concrete and concrete them in. We're hoping this is gonna be a good enough fence that we'll put like a hog wire, cattle wire on it first, and then 3 runs of board, and hoping it'll be stout enough we can keep goats and stuff in there. They can help. Mama said they can help mow the grass. Where are we going, Gemma?
We're going to our pond.
We're gonna try out the new pond, aren't we?
Yeah.
Awesome.
For the first time.
Yeah. I think it's too cold. I guess we're fixing to find out.
Okay, so.
We got some gravel hauled in.
Yeah, and
It's about 16, 18 tons. Almost 2 loads on the dump truck.
And over there.
Been filling potholes and working on
And over there.
doing some repair on the septic.
Daddy, over there is stuff for the plants.
Yeah, that's a lime. Got 22 tons of lime. So the first time ever we're gonna have our fields limed, and we got 12 or 1400 pounds of fertilizer the other day. So we're gonna have fertilizer and lime on this year. That'll be another first.
Everything.
We're about time to get another bundle of sawmill lumber. Actually, that stuff worked out really nice. We're getting good sized lumber out of it to do the fencing.
Can I take these fences?
And boys got the pad finished off for the 50-foot round pin. It's gonna go right in here, and then right over here is the barn. Gonna be leading right down. We're gonna change the fence. It's gonna go along the back of that fence row, and then we'll have.
Can I have the fun to go them?
I have 2 dogs.
I'm gonna show the tack shed again. Yeah, we'll walk over there. Working on clearing some posts to build the barn and the shop with out of here, and then probably end up with another acre of pasture down through there for the horses to eat on. Got a little road. Hayden cut a road in right there going down to the front. We need to get the gate set there, guys, so we're not dipping under that fence. Super awesome to have a little building here. Somebody got to do some repair on the gate. Put the animals up, and
You just gave me an idea because Sheila on us should stop me like this.
she scratched you.
It went like this in my foot.
Oh dear.
It went like that. You see it?
I see.
And it's like that.
All right. But how cool is that? It's just the coolest thing ever. They've been writing a whole bunch more since they've been able to find all the tag. I don't know, you have to ask the boys. Initials. Watch that wire, girls. All right, let's walk on down, guys.
You know how Raven bought you chocolate yesterday?
We gotta get
Come on, Raven.
these 2 brush piles, get the logs out of them, the stumps, and get them burnt so we can get some grass seed spread out here.
Come on, Raven. Dad likes chocolate.
Hey, our mom's way.
So save 2. One for Mama.
Grass is starting to grow. We got, man, it's amazing. If anybody hadn't done it, go back to some of our first videos of when we first moved in here and how much clearing we did on this place. There wasn't, this back here was just grown up. Precious, quiet down.
There's nothing but stubs and stalks
Yeah, stobs, sticks, trees like 12 foot tall. The front pasture was just briars, solid briars. But all these trees here, this whole center section of this field, probably an acre and a half of it, was just that scrubby brush trees. No grass at all down in the bottom. Grass is starting to come up. We had a little foal. Sean's horse foaled, and sadly we lost it last week. Beautiful little filly. But that's the girl's new pony. I forget what they call it.
They had it like 6 names. They all wanted to name it a name, so it has like 6 names.
Yeah, got
Gabby
tons
can
of
tell you
names.
what they are.
What's the horse's name?
Blackberry, Fluttershy, Thunderstrike, Darkness, Zetko.
All right. It's a whole
Juno
bunch.
only swims with these two. Like, where's her back legs and all?
Yeah.
Is that ours?
Not very cost effective to have horses, but I guess it's probably cheaper than 4-wheelers. And there's some character development the kids can learn from. Learn how to work with different dispositions and whatnot. Hoping to get down in here and get this cleaned up here before long.
Someone got a pocket.
And get some grass growing on it. Is it cold, boys?
No, not actually that cold.
Cold?
No, it feels good.
Daddy, can we get in? Dad, can we get in?
There's my island. It's my island.
Dad, can we get in?
In case nobody ever watched Braveheart, you should watch
Daddy,
it.
can we get in?
We gotta work on the island some
Daddy,
more
can
though.
we get in?
Sure, not right here. This is deep right here.
Can I
Go
jump?
over,
Go around on the
go
other
over
side
to
over
that
there.
side over there where the dirt pile is.
Hey, can I jump?
All right, jump in.
Papa, Dad, Papa, can I?
Jump out here. It's pretty much.
Dad, may I swim without a life jacket? Dad, may I swim?
So,
Let's swim without
first try of our pond. We're gonna have a lot of fun here this summer. Told Mama earlier the kids will work a whole lot harder, hopefully, if they can come jump in the pond in the middle of the day when it's hot. Anyhow, like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Y'all have a blessed day, and hopefully it's beautiful and grass coming on in springtime like it is here for y'all.